How to add bills to Experian Boost. Follow the instructions. Go to the Experian website or open the Experian app. Log into your Experian account or create a new one. Find and click on the Experian Boost option. Read the introduction about how Boost works and click to get started. Connect the bank account you use to pay your bills. Get permission for Experian to access your transaction data. Wait while Experian scans your bank account for eligible bills. Review the list of bills that Experian found. Choose which bills you want to include in your credit file. Confirm your selections and agree to add them. Experian processes your selections and updates your credit file. Check your updated credit score to see if it increased. Thank you for watching.